everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been having an amazing week so far. I'm finally back with another video for you, and this is going to be the intro to my minimalism series. I kind of typed up like a list of things to talk about on here, so let's just get started. So in my last video that I posted, it was my first chill vlog, and I basically talked about why I wanted to go into minimalism and what kind of like inspired me to go into that. The main thing that kind of like sparked me going into minimalism was this podcast that I listened to, and it was an interview with Aileen from Lavender, and she interviewed a woman named Courtney Carver. I'm gonna link the podcast down in the description box so you guys can, listen to it. Basically, the interview kind of talked about how she just wanted to simplify her life, and by doing that she got rid of like more than half of her closet. I just thought it was really cool because she just seemed a lot happier afterwards, and I kind of wanted to do that too. I just feel like I kept accumulating a lot of clothes that I just didn't need. Then I just would get frustrated because I couldn't put outfits together, and I couldn't figure out like what my style was, what fit me right, and what made me feel good about myself. The first attempt at minimalism, obviously, since we're already talking about it, I wanted to tackle my clothes. What I first did was I took everything out of my closet. I created 3 different piles. The first pile was like a for sure keep. I know I love it. I know I'm gonna wear it. I can't live without it. The second pile was like maybe I might wear it for special occasions, but I don't know. In the second pile of clothes, I also used that pile for clothes that I was going to sell back to like Buffalo Exchange or Plato's Closet or whatever. And then the third pile was the Goodwill pile, stuff that I'm not gonna wear. I had like 5 thoughts come to my head that were really challenging for me during the process of like trying to get rid of everything. The first one is that every time I like picked up a piece of clothing that I was about to get rid of, it was really hard for me to get rid of it because I thought, dang, this shit was expensive. Like you spend a lot of money on it and you want to wear it because you want to make your money's worth. The second thing is I love it, but there's holes in it, or the zipper was like broken but I still wanted to wear it. There was rips and stuff, and it was just so worn out that it just really needed to be thrown away and it needs to be replaced. The third challenging thing was the fact that some of these clothes were gifts from my mom. You feel bad because someone took the time and picked out that piece of clothing for you, and you should wear it and appreciate it, but it sucks when someone gets you something, you don't even really use it, then it's just sitting there collecting dust. So I think it's better to give it away to somebody who will wear it and who will make use out of it. The fourth thing that came to my mind was, oh, well, maybe I'll wear this when that day comes. Well, that day never came the past month, so you gotta get rid of it. And the last thing is, I don't have the money to buy trendy clothes, so I'm gonna keep this and try to make it work. I feel like it's really important to have like a base capsule wardrobe, where in this wardrobe you have like pieces that are year-round and that will never ever go out of style. So for instance, like black jeans. Everybody needs a pair of black jeans. After, realizing those 5 really hard things, if you're going through your closet and you're trying to declutter and these are what you're thinking, like, chances are you probably should get rid of that piece of clothing. The big picture is that I realize that my life is becoming so less saturated from all the materialistic things that I have, like, in my closet. I know that doesn't really sound like a big deal to some people because they're like, oh, clothes are clothes, but like I really like clothes. I really love looking at clothes, and so what I wear or what I choose to wear every day, it's constantly changing. Obviously, it depends on what mood I'm in, depends on the weather, depends on all this, and so I feel like it's a part of my life and a part of the way I live. I had to accept the fact that I can't be like those other minimalists that only have like 10 things in their wardrobe. Like, that's just not who I am. But what I can do is I can definitely like cut my wardrobe in half and have like a staples wardrobe where I don't feel like I need to go buy like a bunch of other stuff, but I can at least buy a few things here and there that really make me feel good and make me happy, because that's what it should be about. You should love every single item in your closet. If you guys are watching this and you are inspired to get started, here are a couple of things to help you get started. The first thing is to make yourself a list. Think about 3 to 5 locations where you want to declutter. That could be like your desk, your backpack, your car, anything. and write it down and think about why you want to declutter that space. Whether it's because, well, you want to just make more space for different things, or to clear your mind a little bit more, stuff like that. Every time you clear out that space, you know, think about how you felt before and then how you feel after, and then you continue to do that for the rest of the spaces that you're cleaning up. Now I can like see every single thing that's in my closet. I can fully wear every single item that's in my closet. The other thing is that I'm really excited to now find other pieces that suit me a lot better in the time of my life now. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is kind of just like a video of me talking about my journey. I feel good so far. It was definitely hard for me to get rid of a lot of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this was helpful for some of you. If you guys do find this helpful, stay tuned for the next decluttering video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the podcast. I'll link it down in the description box. This whole minimalism series is also in collaboration with my good friend Collette. You guys have got to check her out. Her YouTube channel is called Collette is a Bear. And if you guys end up decluttering your stuff and you end up documenting it, let me know in the comments, because I definitely want to check you guys out. You know, tell me how your journey goes. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!